Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. Link will be down below. And see what other goodies they have to offer besides this item. But if you like this item, click the link now, add it to your cart, and check out so they can ship this to you fast. Hopefully everyone had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. All that good stuff. We are... see what's this. Got another bag. Alright, get over here. Got the Amazon. Got a little bag right here. Interesting shape. Let's see what this is. Aha. Alright, this is coming from... crack the guys down a little. Ophanie Queen Fleece Blanket. Fairly nice. In case you got friends and family over during the holidays. In case you go somewhere. Or keep one in your car because you never know. For emergency use. Dust mite resistant. Machine washable. Soft and cozy. Breathable. Tumble dry. All the good stuff right there. This thing's heavy. Alright, let's take a look inside. Gotta find a spot. There we go. Make sure you don't cut. Should be good. Yeah. They vacuum sealed this pretty good. So definitely check out their other styles and other items they have to offer also. So I know they got a lot of good home stuff. Right here, I gotta be careful. There we go. Should be good. Look at this rip. There we go. Alright. Queen Fleece Blanket. Best gift for your family. Got this right there. Got the whole world watching. Alright guys, let's take a look. Alright, it begins. You just never know. Oh, come on. Oh, this is a nice feel. I like this feel. Look at that. Ooh. It's summertime now, so I mean this will be coming handy in the next few months. But it's a hot one this year in Michigan. Definitely hot. Alright, there we go. Look at this thing. We got it. Got it going. Get it going. Whoa. This thing's big. Look at that. That material's super soft, guys. It's like really soft. Alright, let me unfold it. Dang, this thing is huge. It's like a queen size comforter kind of. Look at that. Full spread out. So, but it's super comfy, guys. This is queen size. Check them out. Link will be down below. Be safe. Have a good night. See you soon.